Hello skaters! Welcome back to our series of customized footwork step sequences for beginner skaters. In our previous videos, we worked with forward outside and forward inside 3 turns. You can find the links to those lessons in the description below. Today, we are focusing on the backward outside 3 turn as the foundation for our new step sequence. We'll break the sequence down into individual elements, practice each one separately, and then put them all together into an easy flowing, beautiful step sequence designed especially for beginner skaters. Our first element will be a forward inside to backward inside mohawk, followed by a backward outside 3 turn on a half circle. We'll begin with a right forward inside glide. From there, we transition into a left backward inside edge through the mohawk. Then push with your left foot to glide on a right backward outside edge and complete a backward outside 3 turn, finishing on a right forward inside edge. By this point, you will have completed your half circle. On the axis, step into a left forward inside mohawk to begin the next circle. Push with the right foot to glide on a left backward outside edge after the mohawk, complete a backward outside 3 turn, and exit on a left forward inside edge with your shoulders checked and a nice extension through the free leg. Continue this sequence across the ice, alternating feet. Make sure to bend your knees and ankles before and after each mohawk and 3 turn. Focus on using deep edges and maintaining control throughout. If you are still learning mohawks or 3 turns, check out my Figure Skating Foundations video course at styleskating.com. It's designed specifically for beginner skaters. You will also find a huge collection of in-depth tutorials and step-by-step instructions to guide your progress. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the skills and confidence to take your figure skating to the next level. Whether you are working toward more advanced techniques or simply aiming to skate with greater ease and flow, this course will help you build the strong foundation every skater needs. Check the link above or description below for more information. Our next element in the sequence is the forward outside chassé. We will begin on the left forward outside edge, then switch feet by picking up your left foot and gliding on the right forward inside edge. Push again with your right foot to finish the half circle on the left forward outside edge. Swing your free leg through as you begin the next half circle on the right foot, starting with the right forward outside edge, then gliding on the left forward inside edge and returning to a right forward outside edge. On the axis, use a smooth swing of your left leg to transition into the next circle. Focus on technique as you glide. Bend your ankles deeply after each push, stretch your free leg with the foot turned out and pointed, and always bring your hips back to the axis line as you finish each half circle. This will help maintain balance, rhythm, and control throughout the chassé sequence. Now we are going to work on forward cross rolls. Keep your arms extended to the sides, your back straight, and focus on completing smooth half circles. Each time you change direction, step onto the axis in a cross-leg position to begin the new half circle. Remember to bend your knees and ankles before each push. Extend your free leg fully, bring it through with control, and step into the new circle by crossing over with the free leg. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Also check the description below for details about my YouTube membership options, where you can reach out to me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on demand featuring the skating exercises of your choice. Now we are going to work on the forward outside edge with a bunny hop transition into a forward inside edge. Start on the left forward outside edge with your free side stretched back, then swing your free side through and perform a bunny hop, jumping from the left forward outside edge and landing softly on your right toe pick. Immediately push into left forward inside edge to continue into the next circle. Then repeat the movement on the other side. Start with a right forward outside edge, swing your left side through, and do a bunny hop from the right outside edge. Land on your left toe and push straight into a right forward inside edge to start the next circle. Focus on smooth transitions, stretched free leg extension, and controlled landings to keep your flow steady and connected throughout the sequence. And now for the final part of our step sequence, the forward inside 3-turn with a ballet jump. We'll start on the right forward inside edge, then perform a 3-turn, exiting on the right backward outside edge, reach back with your free side, tap the ice with your left toe pick, and do a ballet jump, focusing on a strong extended free leg. Land on the same toe you took off from, and immediately push into a right forward inside edge to complete the half circle glide. Then step into the next circle on the left forward inside edge. Execute a forward inside 3-turn, reach back with your right foot, tap with the toe pick, and jump lifting your left leg with the full extension and pointed toe. Land on the same toe as you take off, push with that toe and glide smoothly on your left forward inside edge to finish the half circle. Continue this pattern, alternating feet with each half circle. Maintain a straight back, fully extend your free leg, and work your edges with precision through each 3-turn. We are ready to put the entire sequence together now. We'll begin with a right forward inside mohawk, gliding afterward on a left backward inside edge. Push with the left foot to prepare for a right backward outside 3-turn. Rotate your upper body to the outside of the circle and complete the 3-turn, checking back with your right shoulder. You will now be gliding on a right forward inside edge with your free leg extended in front, turn out, and pointed. Start a new circle with a left forward inside edge and immediately go into right forward outside chassé. Switch your legs into a left forward inside edge, picking up your right foot. Then step back onto the right foot with a push from the left, gliding on the right forward outside edge to complete the second half circle. Swing your free leg through, straight turn out and pointed. Next comes the third circle with forward cross rolls. Start on a left forward outside edge, then roll to a right forward outside edge, and finish this segment with a third cross roll onto a left forward outside edge. From here, do a bunny hop, transitioning from the left forward outside edge to a left forward inside edge, which switches your circle direction. From the left forward inside edge, step into a mohawk and glide on a right backward inside edge, then push with your right foot to glide on a left backward outside edge and prepare for a left backward outside 3-turn, exiting onto a left forward inside edge. To finish the sequence, step into the next circle with a right forward inside 3-turn, reach back with your free leg, tap with your left toe, and perform a ballet jump, lifting your right leg with full extension. Land on your left toe and immediately push to glide on the right forward inside edge to complete the sequence. As you can see in today's video, we used very basic steps and turns to create a beautiful flowing step sequence. Practicing these kinds of daily exercises will help you become more comfortable with essential skating skills. They are a great way to build routines, improve your edges, develop power and quickness, and enhance your balance and control on the ice. All of the elements from today's session are part of my complete video course, Figure Skating Foundations, on my website styleskating.com, designed to help you build strong, confident skating skills step by step. If you are ready to take your skating to the next level, visit my website and join the course today. Let's build a solid foundation together. Thank you for watching me today, and I see you in the next video.